Hi, I'm just setting up for a one-to-one soap making session here in my home studio on the lovely edge of the lovely Peak District, and it's a gorgeous day. It's raining again, so it's actually a really good day for making soap and doing some experimental batches of soap with different oils and fragrances and different ingredients. And if you want to find out more about coming to do a one-to-one with me at my private studio, please pop onto my website ruthromano.com and have a look at some further information on there. And of course, if you've got any questions, please get in touch with me. Email is the best, or I've got a form that you can fill in on my website, or of course pop me a message on any of my social media pages.